Okay, hello guys. I this video just because this is really an easy work if you know very well, and it will not take you time. How to remove the faceplate of this very switch. This is a 3750E series. Look at the switch here. If you want to remove it and put it back, maybe the one you have has a problem without making some damage on the first plate. Maybe the board, the place you want to remove it, the board, maybe the switch is bad and you want to remove it. You don't need to do much. All you need to do is just bring a flat screwdriver. Only flat screwdriver can do the whole work for you. Let's start. See this guy? This guy can do the whole work for you. Let's start. Yeah. I'm trying to so when you look at this place, when you look inside this place, you will see there is a this is holding it. This guy inside it. There's something inside is holding it at this place. So what you're going to do, they have their position, two iron holding it inside here and down here again. This one, you can see this one, this one, this one. Look at what is holding it. You look at it. It's holding it inside. So look at it here. Inside. This one is holding it here. So what you're going to do, even this one as well here inside is up here. This one is holding it as well. It's holding it. So what you're going to do here is you turn it. You turn it. So those two things holding it are close to this place, are close to here, and the next one is also close to here, the first and the last hole here. So what you're going to do is push it inside gently. Push it inside gently, don't push it too much. You push it inside this here, then you push it along with the hook of the front panel. Push it inside, don't push it too much, and the down one as well. You push inside, push, then when you push it, this place will come off. But if you refuse to come off, don't force it. You know the down one, the down part is out already. This one. So what you're going to do is push it the more. Push the up one. You have to push it inside. Then you bring it out. Look at it. You can see it's out already. You can see the iron is bent inside, so you cannot hook it again. It can move out. It can move different direction. It's flexible. The metal that is holding it is flexible. So you can see this place. This is the first place you have to remove first, so it's free. So the next thing you have to do is you have to stand this. So remember, anytime you're removing for a front panel of any switch, you have to do it from the bottom like this, from the back, sorry, the back side, the down side of it. You have to raise it up like this and do it. And when you're doing it, just start from down here. Let me start from here, down here. You push the hook inside, you push it inside. Whenever you're doing it, you push it inside. As you're pushing it inside, you're sliding it out at the same time. The hook, you're sliding it out, push it inside, you're sliding it out at the same time, like slightly. The up one as well. Then this, and this one as well. Then upside. This upside is one I want to. So once this one is out like this, the whole thing is out. You cannot move it without loosening unscrewing the board. You can do it easily like this. You can see it's out. You can see it's out. You see, it's out. Very easy, and very easy and simple. You can see without a crack or damage to it. You can see you can see that. If you're not careful, you can break one of these hooks here that holds the front panel to the board, to the case. So if you're not careful, especially this line here, if you're not careful, so that is how to remove it. So if you want to put it back, if you want to put this, maybe, okay, I assume that I removed the bad one, this is the bad one, I throw it away. Then this, I bring this new one, even without losing you don't need to lose the board totally to, to remove the back or to access the inside of the switch before you have to, put this. So what you do again is you go back to the first place you started, like this place, this one, on the switch itself. Look at this place. You see this place? So what you're going to do right now is you don't have to let's go down. You don't have to push back the flexible iron hook that holds this side inside. I hold this two side inside it. You don't need to push it, because if you push it back towards its original position, you will see that when you're trying to fix this one, it will not enter. You will try to force it and it may break one of these legs. So what you're going to do, one of those legs, if you're not careful, so what you're going to do, you have to leave it like this, and you have to push it. You have to, when you're closing it, you have to start from this place again, gently. You fit the things you're going to put in, you fit it in, you push it gently, push it inside gently, let this place enter. Then you use your any place that refuses to go inside, that is giving problem, you use your flat screw and push it down a bit, push it down. You can see that it will go. So this one, you can, if you want to do it, you can let the down one go. You push the down first, then you press this one, the upside, you push it down, the hook. So when you push it, it will enter, it will fit in. This one again, they push the down one, hold it down like this, then push this one down like this. Push it. If you refuse, push it well down. Push it so that it can enter very well. This one over here. This one you have to can see it's back on. You can see it's back on. You'll press all the sides very well. Make sure it's fitted. It's fitted very well. Press all the sides very well. Make sure it's fitted. So that is it. So you go back to this side we started. Then the inside, you look inside the iron, the iron that is holding it inside. You push it back towards the side. Push it back towards the side original state. That's the side where we push it away from. That's close to this side. You push it towards this side again, so you can be able to hold it back again. Push it back to push it back again. Initially we pushed it towards this side, away from here. So now we're pushing it back to that place again. So you can be able to close the space we've opened here, to close the space. So we're pushing it towards this side again. We're pushing it towards this side to close the space it created for this one to be able to come out. You see, it's still loose, so you have to so it's strong now. It's strong right now. It cannot come out again. It's strong. So we're done with the video. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you. You can subscribe if you like my videos. You can subscribe and push the notification button, so anytime I post any new